Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add shape border in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add shape border in Photoshop. Now we can see then we show the home page. Now we are going to the tool option. Now select from shape tool. Now click from mouse right button and select from shape. Now draw any shape. Now you can see open the layer in Live 7. Now choose from color. Now choose from yellow color. Now click OK. Now you can see then we show. Now you can see add border. Now you can see then we are going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now select from stroke option. That it's now stroke in the size. Now click OK. That it's now you can see add shape border in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.